Hi friends, we're gonna walk through happy birthday, okay? So first, we're gonna do 2 open Ds. And then we're gonna do 1 on D. And then open. Okay, let's try that. Ready, go. D, D, 1, D. Now it's 3, 2 on D, like this. Your turn, go. Good, 2 open Ds again. So let's go that far from the beginning. Ready? Go. Good. Now we're going to play 2 Ds. One and then open again. And then A and D3. Okay, let's go that far. So that's open D. 1 open. A. 3. Okay, 2 Ds again. Now high, this is A3. A1, D3, this is the hardest part, D2, D1. Okay, let's do that again. Start on open D. Ready, go. High D, high A, sorry. 1, D3, D2, D1. Now here's the low 2 on the A. Do 2 of those, and then 1, and then D3, A, D3 again. Okay, now we're going to play with the accompaniment. Low 2. Again. Ready, go. Low 2. Again. Okay.